Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tasty Appetite. In today's video, we are going to see how to make this healthy protein-rich chicken salad at home. It can be made easily and can be served as the best dinner or side salad with your daily meal. It contains chicken and many vegetables that are packed with protein, vitamins and fiber. If you are looking for a filling and nutritious salad recipe, this is the video for you. Without further ado, let's see how to prepare. I have taken 2 chicken breasts. As we know, chicken breasts are one of the most popular high protein food and it's very essential for healthy weight loss. Let's pierce the chicken with a fork. This helps the marinade to seep into the chicken more and keep it moist. For marinating the chicken, we are adding 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, salt to taste, pepper powder, turmeric powder. I'm adding Kashmiri red chili powder. This gives a bright color to our grilled chicken. Coriander powder, some red chili flakes. You can reduce the spice level as per your taste. Then goes in cumin powder, mixed herbs, ginger garlic paste, and finally we are adding yogurt and 1 teaspoon of olive oil. We are coating the chicken pieces well with the marinade. So we marinated our chicken breast. Now let's keep it aside for 15 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, let's get started on our veggies for salad. First, I'm taking some fresh spring onion greens, baby corns, cucumbers, cabbage, and bell peppers of green, red, and yellow color. You can add any vegetables of your choice. Let's start adding our bell peppers to a large salad bowl. Also, we are adding carrots, lettuce, baby corns, spring onions, cucumbers, cabbage, freshly sliced mint leaves, coriander leaves, tomatoes, and onions. Toss in some seasonings like salt, cumin powder, pepper powder, chaat masala powder, and some fresh lime juice. Give a quick mix and coat the vegetables well with the seasonings. Also, you can drizzle some olive oil and vinegar for dressing. Now the marinated chicken is ready. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil in the grill pan. If you don't prefer chicken, you can always replace with paneer or tofu in the same recipe. Let the heat be in medium-high. Let's grill the chicken for 5 to 6 minutes on each side until it's cooked tender and thoroughly. Our juicy and flavorful grilled chicken is ready. Remove the grilled chicken from pan and let it cool for 5 minutes and then chop to thin slices. You can see the chicken is cooked soft, juicy and tender. For serving, let's spread salad in a plate and arrange grilled chicken on top of the salad. The salad makes a perfect choice when you are craving for some light and fresh meal. Let's garnish with sliced eggs, and I'm sprinkling some nuts for extra crunchy taste. Also, they are rich source of fiber, vitamins and protein. It's a complete delicious meal in a plate. For finishing touch, I am drizzling some barbecue sauce. It just boosts the flavor and binds together easily. It's purely optional. Also, you can add any dressing of your choice. This salad is a wonderful way to enjoy grilled chicken in a fresh and healthy dish. So guys, do give it a try once. I'm sure you're going to love it. And if you have enjoyed this recipe, please subscribe to my channel for more healthy, easy and delicious recipes. You can also follow me on Insta and Facebook to see what's latest in my kitchen. Until I meet you all with the next healthy recipe, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.